Ready? Plots. Good boy. So he gets that. And then for Maggie, I'm gonna let her demonstrate this little toy we made. It's Maggie demonstrating this toy. Ready? Get it. Okay. Free. Break. Okay. Good girl, Maggie. That's it. Good girl. Yeah, there she goes. That's Maggie's favorite. She knows this one. All right, she's the master. This is the molecule ball, and she's familiar with that one. She wasn't comfortable with the other one. She's pretty amazing at this one. So if you fill that up with your dog's morning ration of breakfast or dinner time kibbles, they can entertain themselves for a little while. It gives them a purpose. There she goes. She's amazing. Yeah, look at that. Unfortunately, this is the one that's got destroyed by another dog, so the kibbles fall out more. Keeps him busy. We played outside and trained a little bit, and now we're inside chilling out. For Milo, I put a couple of old towels on the floor and hid kibbles inside of here. So I'm gonna let him loose. Ready, Milo? Break, come and get it. So he has to go search for it. It's like a puzzle. Good boy. I love that sniffing. So that keeps him busy. Yay, good boy. Doggy enrichment. Love it. Look at that nose go. Give your dog a purpose. There are no free lunches. Nothing in life is free. Look at you, how smart you are. This is awesome. And then the other towel has a couple. Check here. Good boy. Well, I think you get the idea how to entertain your dog when you can't go outside. Let me know what you think.